Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I have another Destash for you. Now, I'm needing to remind everybody, if you want to be included in the giveaway after this Destash is over, after the Destash giveaway is over, then you need to make sure that you go by the rules that I had set in that very first Destash giveaway information video. I'll link it below. One of the things that I see that people are not doing is I asked if you could please share share on your social media if you can't make a video. I'd rather you make a video promoting the giveaway and the Destash. If you can't make videos, then you can do a share, and that's one of the rules of the giveaway. It's that, and of course buy something, because the thing that you're getting back is your money, up to $50. Now, if you have any questions about all that, just let me know. Put a comment below, or you can send me an email. I think my email's on there somewhere, scrappyksu@gmail.com. Anyway, on this Destash, I have some Stampin' Up stamps. Okay. Alright, the first one's going to be this fabulous Flamingo. It's going to be, these are going to be plus shipping on these. This one's $15. I'll let you see that. This is a layered stamping. They used to be just 2-step, but now some of them, got 3 and 4 and even 5-step. This one looks like it's 3. 1, 2, 3, and then the legs will 4, I guess. But there's that one. The next one is Painter's Palette, and this is going to be $15 as well. Okay. Alright, and these, this one is a clear stamp. This Flamingo one's a clear stamp. I've never used it. I actually bought 2 of them by mistake, so this is the one I'm selling. Alright, and then this one, this Painter's Palette, is a not a clear, but cling mount rubber. Okay, and this one right here I've never used. I think I just took the stuff apart from it. Alright, that one was $15. The next one is called Party Pants, and it's $10, and it's never been used either. Alright, there's the stamps still in the little thingy. Sorry for the glare. The next one's called What I Love, and it is a clear stamp set. It's $10. And this one is a 3-step. This is what are they calling these? 2-step stamping, which is actually more than that, but that's what they call it. Alright, the next one is Greenhouse Garden. It's $10 also, and it's a 2-step thing as well. And this one, let's see, this one right here, I'm sorry I didn't tell you, here's the cling on it, and I did use that like one time. Okay, and then the Greenhouse Garden, it's a cling mount, and I used it probably 1 or 2 times. Alright, and then the next one is Outlined Occasions. This is an older set. It's $8, and I think I've used it a couple of times. It's really cute the way they do that. Okay, alright, so this is going to be PayPal, friends and family payment, US shipping only, and let me know which one it's going to be plus shipping as well. So, and if you buy like one, it's probably a couple bucks. I don't really know how much one would be. I'm going to send it with the case. If you buy more than that, then we'll just have to see what the shipping is. So let me know what your zip code is if you're interested in one of these. And all right, we'll get on to the next one then. Thanks. Bye.